The barn's a store for sacks and straw, buckets, carts, tools, and more. Boots. Sack. Donkey. Cat. Spade. Cart. Straw. Bucket. A farmer cares for cows that moo, horses, sheep, and piglets too. Horse. Goat. Chicken. Pig. Sheep. Turkey. Cow. Horse. Horse. Goat. Chicken. Pig. Sheep. Turkey. Cow. Cows are milked 3 times a day. They love to munch on grass and hay. Dairy farmer. Cow. Calf. Bull. Long-haired cow. Cow's milk. Cheese. Butter. Muddy, stout, and sometimes pink, pigs are smarter than you think. Sow. Boar. Black pig. Piglet. Trough. Pig farmer. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Mom's a ewe and dad's a ram. Shepherd. Ewe. Ram. Lamb. Sheepdog. Wool. Woolly socks. Galloping horses run and leap with flying tails and stomping feet. Mare. Stallion. Foal. Pony. Saddle. Horseshoe. Cowboy.
Yee-haw!
A hungry goat could mow your lawn, nibbling grass until it's gone. Nanny goat. Billy goat. Nanny goat. Kid. Woolly goat. Goat's cheese. Bell. Hens lay eggs and peck the ground. Roosters wake us with their sound. Hen. Hen. Rooster. Rooster. White hen. White hen. Chick. Chick. eggs. Chicken farmer. When ducks and geese splash in the pond, turkeys gobble all day long. Duck. Duck. Drake. Goose. Turkey. Gosling. Duck eggs. Duckling. Duckling. Across the fields, a tractor goes through puddles, mud, and winter snow. Combine harvester. Combine harvester. Tractor. Tractor. Quad bike. Quad bike. Loader. Loader. Pickup. Pickup. Farm machines work night and day, plowing, sowing, mowing hay. Harvester. Harvester. Baler. Baler. Trailer. Trailer. Plow. Plow. Cedar. Cedar. Thank farmers for the crops we eat: potatoes, carrots, rice, and wheat. 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 Peppers. Peppers. Oranges. Oranges. Carrots. Carrots. Potatoes. Potatoes. Corn. Corn. Strawberries. Strawberries. Rice farmer. Rice farmer.